How to put password on Netflix profile. So if you want to put password on your Netflix profile, then just follow the steps. First, make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, you just need to simply go with the profile photo, which will be on the upper right of your screen. And then you need to choose the account option. Once you choose the account, now you just need to simply go down and choose the profile and parental controls section, which is right here. Under profile and parental controls, you just need to simply choose the profile lock option. Click on change, which is on the right side. Once you click on change, you will have all of the accounts that you have on your Netflix. Make sure that you are the account owner. Netflix will ask for your password. You just need to simply enter your password. And after that, you'll see a screen where you can click require a PIN to access the person's profile. And you need to enter your chosen PIN. So you will get this kind of interface. You just need to simply enter your PIN, click on require a PIN to access the profile, and enter your PIN, and then go with save. And once you click on save, then that profile will be locked. And if the other person tries to open the profile, then they will need PIN to access. So that's how you can put a password on a Netflix profile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.